Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the tutorial of WordPress, and in this class we will be looking at how to make a menu. Okay, so this option what we have, this is our menu. Okay, so we will see how to customize this one. So in order to customize our menu, currently our menu is having options like home, price, contact, my account, checkout, cart, and shop. So okay, so these are the options present over here. Okay, so all these options that you see, all of them are present horizontally aligned over here. So now suppose I want to change the configuration. If suppose I want to move the shop in place of price, then I can do that. I will just move it at the top over here. Okay, so and now if suppose I want this contact to be under of the my account, then I can do that. Just keep this under this option. Now I will put the checkout and the cart also under this my account section, and I will say save menu. Okay, and now I will come over here and refresh my page. Okay, so now this is my home, this is my shop, this is my price, and this is my account. And under account I am having these three tabs. I am getting these three tabs under my account because I have put them in this manner. If suppose I want to add a few more options over here, like these are my pages. Okay, so all the pages that are created over there under this pages tab, all these pages are present over here. Now if suppose I want to add something like category, okay, I can add category also. Sometimes we happen to throw the post according to the categories, so I can add the category over here. In order to do that, first of all I have to create one category, and after that only I can add it. But as of now I am having this coach and the uncategory option. I will select both of them. I will say add to the menu, and I am getting those options over here. I will say save. Okay, now I'll come over here and refresh. Okay, so I'm getting on both of those categories over here. But now if suppose I want to remove something, then I will click on this. I will say remove. Click on this, I will say remove. Okay, so this is how you can remove it. If you want to give the custom links, like if suppose I want to give the link of YouTube over here. Okay, I will say give the name as YouTube, and let me just go to the YouTube. And let me just give that link over here. So basically for study purpose I'm showing you guys how to add the external links, and that YouTube link is present over here. I will save this. Just wait for this turn into blue. Okay, and now I will come over here and refresh. Okay, so now I'm getting that YouTube option over here. Okay, so this is how you can add items to your menu. Okay, and now if suppose you want to create some different menu and all, then you can do that also. You just have to say create a new menu, and you just have to give the name. I will say this is as menu 2, and I will say create menu, and over again I will add whatever things I want. I will say add to menu, and yeah, this is how you can create your menu over here. Okay, I will say save. And if you don't want this menu, you can delete it. You just have to say delete menu, and it will be gone. Okay guys, so this is how you can create a different menu. But as of now, this menu what we have, this is known as the primary menu, which will be present on my home page. And as of now, this is how our empty website looks. So I will show you how to edit this in our future classes. Thanks for watching.